Hey everyone, my name is Brandon Levine and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be discussing how to redirect our users after they submit a form in AEM forms. So let's get started. So by default, if you just have a submit button on your form and you have not configured anything else to happen after it's been clicked, uh, it's going to redirect the user to this thank you for submitting the form screen, as you can see here. And as you can see, it's pretty bland. It's not the most user-friendly screen. Ideally, we want them to be redirected back to maybe a forms portal that they started out on, or maybe redirected to another screen that has maybe a user ID or some type of submitted form ID that they can track, or keep for their personal records. So in order to set up a redirect URL, I'm going to go ahead and go into edit mode on my form. And then under form container, I'm going to go into the properties section of that. And under submission, there is this place here for a redirect URL/path. And you can put any URL link you want here. And when the form is submitted, it's going to go to that URL link. So if you put, maybe adobe.com right here, the user will be redirected to adobe.com. If you have AEM sites as well, you can actually open up the selection dialog and navigate to the AIM sites page that you want the user to go to. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go into my we.gov and I'm going to click on my forms portal because that's where I want my user to be redirected to after they submit the form. And I'm click done. And then we'll click on preview and test out uh, this configuration really quick. All right, so now when we press submit, we should be redirected to uh, the forms portal, which we are now. So that makes it a little bit more seamless for the user because they're being redirected to maybe the original start screen they were on before they started filling out our form. So there's a lot of different things we could set up, but this is really just meant to give you a good idea of some of the different ways you can configure the redirect button or redirect submission button. All right, so that's going to conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment if you have a suggestion on a video I should make in the future. And have a nice day.